There are many welding machine products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best welding machines from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Hone Flux Core Welder. Rating 4.5. Just touch the tungsten rod to the workpiece and lift it off, easily arc starting. Don't need to scratch it. It's like you getting a TIG portable welder for free. This welder 3-in-1 built-in automatic anti-stick compensation for voltage fluctuation, overcurrent protection, overheat protection, and short-circuit damage protection to make sure the welding kit safely operates in long life. The wire feed welder is capable of welding all kinds of ferrous metals, such as medium carbon steel, mild steel, fence, automotive exhaust pipe, stainless steel, and cast iron. Only weighs 10.1 pounds, easy to carry with a handle or shoulder strap included, very suitable for outdoor maintenance, farm, road equipment, and home D. Number 4. Welder Welder. Rating 4.5. Up to 135 amp output allows you to weld mild steel up to 2/5 in the plate. Suitable for 2 lb.030 and .035 flux core wire. 3-in-1 welder. Capable of gasless MIG stick lift TIG. Need to buy an extra lift TIG torch. Meets your various welding needs. Advanced digital display increases the visual clarity and improves the efficiency of the operation. When adjusting the wire feeding speed, the voltage will be automatically matched. Suitable for beginners and professionals. Automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, overcurrent protection, overload protection. Only weighs 11.4 pounds, so it's very convenient to take it everywhere. Number 3. Our Captain MIG Welder. Rating 4.5. Digital control automatically matches the recommended current and wire feeding speed when selecting the diameter of welding wire and gas material. Also, you can adjust the welding current according to your welding habit. Easy to work with beginners or professional welders. Cooling fan that runs only when it's needed, so no constant buzzing sounds. Computer interaction LED screen design provides you with accurate data display and makes you read easier and more clearly without taking off your helmet. Easy to carry with a handle or shoulder strap included. Perfect for outdoor maintenance, farm, road equipment, and home D. Number 2. DeCopro Welder. Rating 4.6. Powerful welder capable of welding mild steel, weld steel, stainless steel, and cast iron. IGBT power device with a unique control mode improves the reliability of the welding machine. The welding machine has an ETL certificate for added safety. Each MMA welder device undergoes a strict inspection to ensure its reliability and efficiency. This welder features an easy carrying handle, compact design, easy translation, and storage. Very convenient and can be used anywhere you need. Reduces the damage of copper and iron, increases the welding frequency, and the energy-conserving result is remarkable. Number 1. WeldPro Welder. Rating 4.7. WeldPro's flagship 200 amp MIG welder that goes beyond MIG and flux core welding. The Model 200 is also capable of true lift TIG welding without foot pedal, as well as stick welding and aluminum welding with the optional spool gun. The MIG 200 is an intuitive, synergically designed MIG flux core welding machine. Dual digital display, easy to read and set amperage and wire speed for repeatable welds every time. VRD high temp and overload protection with indication. User adjustable inductance settings. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.